What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to connect a phone to a 2024 Volkswagen Taos using Bluetooth. I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones would be similar. So what I'm going to do is grab my phone, go into the settings, and then open the Bluetooth menu. First of all, make sure your Bluetooth is on. And then under the available devices, you'll see it pop up as VW BT, so Volkswagen Bluetooth, and then there'll be a number behind it. Go ahead and click on that. And then taking a look at our center screen, it's asking, do we want to connect the phone? Go ahead and click connect. Then you want to make sure that the PIN number on the center screen matches the PIN number on our phone screen. And it does. So on our phone, we'll click pair. And then on our center screen, click yes. And now we're connected. And this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. I'll go ahead and do that. And now we're ready to make phone calls or play music, whatever you want to do. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.